we're doing something crazy. Angelica, roommate, is cutting, well, mostly my hair. But my hair is wavy curly and it's in layers. And our sweet, sweet roommate Gloria has straight across hair, so she's just gonna trim off a little bit before she handles this sloppy mess. And why are we doing this? Because we're broke college students.
We're broke.
We're broke and we're only really gonna afford a hairstylist unless we really need to.
Did you drink your Activia? Yeah.
The Aussie products smell coconutty, don't they? I think it's funny that all of our products in our, it's like Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Hey,
You started it,
yeah.
You did.
I was like, this smells good, and then Gloria got it, and you're like, well, you guys all got it, so.
Well, because I was like, they're like, oh, just pick like a shampoo and conditioner, and I was like,
Oh, I.
I don't know, so then I just picked that one because I know you guys use it.
I like the way it smells, though, that's why. Okay.
I feel like I need to get Botox on one side of my face to make it like go up with the other brow. Gloria, I don't know how you don't like it or like find it ticklish. I find it so relaxing.
When they touch your neck?
When they touch like my hair and it like stimulates the neck. I'm like so relaxed, like oof, yes.
Oh. Oh.
It's life's little pleasure.
Life's so. How much would you charge?
Depends on the hair, girl.
How much hair I have to chop off?
Yeah.
I can do a bob cut, I'm pretty sure. Shave
Do
head.
a bowl cut. Just put a bowl in their hair and cut around.
Exactly. You're like, that's what you
Coconut
wanted.
head?
Coconut, you need a haircut?
You need a haircut? My girl got you. She got the bowl. You ready for the cut? What size bowl do you want?
Huh?
What size bowl do you want?
We only have a large and small. There's no medium one.
No, if we all like contributed our bowls.
Okay, true. I don't even have a bowl.
Don't you have like a plastic bowl?
Say goodbye to the hair on the past.
I don't know how much she's cutting off.
Not that much, like.
Okay, but I need more than just what Gloria got.
Oh, you are getting more than what Gloria got. Slightly under an inch.
Everyone has a different definition of an inch, so
True.
it's a traumatic experience. It really was a traumatic experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
I just asked for like, I think I might have asked for like 5 inches and she definitely took off like 8.
Oh.
And then she's like, do you like longer layers? And I'm like, yeah. And the shortest layer is like here. And I'm like, not a long layer. And like she thinned it out so much, like you couldn't do anything with it. It looked horrible when it was down.
Oh my God.
You couldn't even put it up because I had no hair.
I'm so sorry.
It was very sad.
Are we recording me? Disclaimer, I am not a hairdresser.
A little?
I don't know how to cut hair, so.
Yeah, but I trust you.
A little B-roll moment.
Oh, Gloria. Don't know how much you're gonna trust me after this, but that's okay.
You're a perfectionist.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Are your guys' hands starting to get sore? 'Cause my like hands,
They were numb at some point.
they're like starting to get sore from the pumping.
Some of them didn't even do it. No, my hands are good, I think.
It's because the thing had to be airtight, so it's like one of the things didn't work or like closed down all the way. You had to hold it down or the air would escape, and that's why it wasn't working. But I couldn't really explain that to you, or like when it was happening.
I know. It's okay.
Because like it was just so hectic.
You're like, yeah, like that. Maybe the balloon's defected.
No, it's because some kids would be like, it's too small. And I was like, this is all you get, kid. Like,
The aftermath. The aftermath. All this dead hair on the floor. Thanks for cutting my hair, Angelica. You saved me like $100. Thank you. Now, is that the most clickbaity video ever? Perhaps, but she did cut my hair, and it is a lot. I mean, it's not that much shorter, but it looks shorter because, I don't know, length makes that big of a difference. But look at how much like curliness is, and this is like third day hair, and it was so curly after that trim, like literally cutting off like just almost an inch of dead hair makes such a big difference. Let me show you in the mirror. Okay, so this is basically the length now. It's just about like that much longer, and it feels so much better, feels so much healthier. And I think it's, I don't know, because like my hair is just like one big giant thing, like we didn't do layers or anything. I feel like it looks shorter, but it's thick and it's healthy. And look at this, I have ringlets, like ringlets that are starting to form more on their own. Before it was just the end, and I can see the ringlets are growing up. It's great. This is a good thing, and I want to thank Angelica because she did a great job, even though she was a little bit stressed. But I have breadcrumbs on my forehead. Lovely, but that is it. There's like some pieces that stick out a little more, but it doesn't really bother me that much. Honestly, the day will come when I can get a professional haircut.